This is a 4-foot by 7-inch board that I picked up at Lowe's. This is the mesh stencil by a maker studio called XOXO. It has this fun little detail around all the letters, and I started by cutting out the X's and the O's. I'm leaving the detail on either side of the X's so that they kind of matched. Now, just to give you a forewarning about this particular stencil, is not one of the letters are exactly kind of the same size or shape. They're almost handwritten look. So it did take me a little bit to kind of place them on my board going vertical because I wanted to make sure they lined up. Once I had a plan, I released the protective backing and started placing each letter going down the board. I'm going to use some painter's tape to block off some of the areas, as cutting it, I had to get very close to the mesh. Once I applied all the tape, I'm going to be using the gel ink by a maker studio in the black, which is called Can't Never Could. And I found using the plastic spreader was a little bit easier. It was more precise since these details were very close to one another. And then I went in with Bless His Heart, which is our red, in the ink. Now, I did grab the black and the red, kind of mixed in with each other here and there. It ended up looking very nice. I didn't overthink it. So I did the black on the letter and the Bless His Heart, which is the red, on the floral. And I did this on each letter. And again, I did not mind if my red and my black kind of mixed in with one another. It didn't, it actually looked nice. Also, I'm going to repeat that the rubber spreader seemed to merge into the other areas. The plastic spreader seemed much easier to keep control of where the different colors went. And I did remove each block as I finished it instead of waiting. Sometimes the gel ink and especially the ceramic, you want to remove your stencils right away. I have a bowl of water right there. When I pull it off, I sip it, put it right in the water to allow it to start to clean, and when I'm done, I can get right at it. Now, a tip is with the painter's tape, make sure you're just kind of laying that on the edge. If you really adhere it to the stencil, it can tear the stencil. So just be careful with that when you're taping off. Press and seal is a very good option sometimes when I'm trying to block off areas. And there you go. It's very simple. X's and O's for Valentines. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.